If your dry lips aren't improving, it may be because you're changing the routine before the pattern becomes clearer. That's why one balm becomes an oil, then a mask, then another restart, and your lips still feel dry. Hi, I'm Jenice Story, nurse and founder of AJ's Infusions. This video is for educational purposes only and is not meant to replace medical advice. Always listen to your body and consult your provider if needed. Here's one thing that I want you to understand today. Your lip balm may not be the only problem. Your routine may be changing too often for you to understand what your dry lips are responding to. Your lips feel dry, you apply your balm, it brings temporary relief, and then that dryness returns. Then the tightness returns. So you apply it again. When it stops feeling effective, you try something different. An oil, a mask, a scrub, a thicker treatment before bed. Every new product feels like a fresh start, but it also creates another variable. Now it becomes harder to tell whether the change came from the product, the timing, the layering, the weather, a repeated habit, or several changes that happened all at once. That is why it can feel like nothing is working. You're putting in more effort, but getting less useful information. And you weren't wrong for trying something new. You were trying to find relief, but temporary relief and a clear understanding of your pattern are not always the same thing. Your lips rely on a delicate barrier to hold in the moisture and reduce irritation. But when you're constantly applying, wiping, licking, rubbing, layering, and switching products, the routine becomes harder to evaluate. You may start reading every uncomfortable moment as proof that the product failed, but the returning discomfort doesn't always mean you need to replace everything. Sometimes it means that you just need to pause long enough to notice what changed. Here is the pattern. Your lips feel uncomfortable. The discomfort creates urgency. The urgency makes you reapply. When reapplying doesn't give you the result that you want, you switch products. And that new product creates hope, but it also restarts the observation process. That is why your purse, bathroom, or bedside table may be filled with unfinished lip products. It's not because you don't care. It's because you care so much that every setback becomes another attempt to quickly fix the problem. But more effort is not always support. Sometimes more effort is simply just more noise. If you already recognize yourself in this cycle, the lip quiz can help you organize what you're noticing. You will find it in the link below. Now, here's the reframe. Your lip balm may not be failing. Your routine may be changing too often for the pattern to become clear. That does not mean that you should keep using anything that causes burning, swelling, blistering, significant pain, worsening symptoms, or a persistent reaction. Stop using any products that create any concerning symptoms and seek appropriate medical guidance. Consistency does not mean ignoring your body. It means reducing any unnecessary changes so you can make a clearer decision. Here's one simple thing that you can do today. Gather all the lip products that you're currently using. Don't throw anything away. Don't judge yourself. Just place them together and notice how many are open. Which ones do you layer? Which one do you reach for first? Which one is the most recent? Then avoid changing several things at once. One intentional change is easier to understand than 5 changes made together. This is where the lip ritual becomes different. The lip ritual is not another step to add to an already crowded routine. It's designed to replace the reactive moment, the moment that your lips feel uncomfortable and your hand immediately reaches for another layer of lip balm. The lip ritual is a 30-second no rinse reset. A warm cloth, one quiet breath, a brief pause before reaching. The purpose is not to force your lips into a perfect state. The purpose is to slow the pattern down, because when you regulate first, you can notice more clearly. You can decide whether you need another application. You can recognize whether you're responding to dryness, habit, frustration, or urgency. That is the shift. Not more products, not more pressure, more clarity. You're not failing because you haven't found the perfect balm. You may be stuck in a pattern that keeps restarting before you can understand it. And you do not have to solve the entire pattern today. You only need a clearer place to begin. Start with the lip quiz to figure out your pattern. It can help you organize what you're noticing and identify the next step that may fit your lips more clearly. Use the link below in the description and comment the word pattern if you recognized yourself in this cycle. Remember, here at AJ's EO Infusions, we choose ritual over rush because we regulate first. And we believe that consistency creates confidence. And until next time, let's glow, grow, and thrive together.